Hey everyone, Scott here, and welcome to Paradise City Hotel, Resort and Casino at the Incheon Airport in Seoul, South Korea. And right off the bat, I just want to say, I know, I'm doing this wrong. So I just checked in. It is 8:30 p.m. and I need to be checked out no later than 6:30 a.m. tomorrow, which for a resort and casino like this, that is absolutely doing it wrong. This is not that kind of hotel. This place offers so much more than just a place to sleep. I know, but I wanted to stay here. I've seen this hotel many times during my transits through Incheon Airport, and I thought, you know what? I want to do this sometime, and that time is now. Anyway, if you're looking for a full review of this resort and everything it has to offer, the casinos, the restaurants, this is not that video. I'm just going to show you the room. And that's all that I do. And it's a good room. I want to say this is just a standard room. I didn't pay extra for anything. I didn't pay extra for a nice view. This is the standard room, and I like it. Very, very stylish. Kinda small, but not really. It's kind of sweet-ish. I mean, kind of like a suite. And you know, you got a couch there, a table, and a king-size bed, and a. Does this even open? No, it doesn't. I thought maybe this. See, the bathroom is on the other side of this wall, and usually, in situations like that, the door will open, and then you can just expose everything. But it doesn't go all the way through. That is a solid wall. Anyway, let's just start with a quick tour. Basically, yeah, this is really nice. I like how simple it is. Just so clean. This reminds me a lot of the Lot Hotel in Central Seoul that I stayed in last year with these shelving units here and then the simple decor. It's a lot simpler on that side of the room. There's really not that much going on, but I like that. The Lot Hotel had those shelves filled with alcohol, but I'm not seeing anything here, which is fine. I'm not a drinker anyway. It's not a big deal. But I do see complimentary water over here. 4 bottles. I wish I would have known that, because I did buy some water in the airport before I came over here. And I guess it's good to know for next time. At least you know. And then got some simple teas there. And got some glasses. And then nothing. I wonder if there's a minibar in here. I don't see a minibar. He said there was a minibar, but I'm not seeing it. There's the closet, a couple of robes. That's good. I like that. What's in here? Ironing board. There is no minibar. He said there was a minibar. I do not see it unless it's... No, I don't. Oh well. Not a big deal. You know, it's funny. I keep looking at this bed. I just flew in from the US, a long 12-hour flight, and that bed is looking good. It is almost 9 p.m. now, and I'm exhausted. And if the bed looks good, I guess that means it's a good hotel room. You can't fault that. I like the carpet. It's kind of crazy, kind of whimsical. That's good. And then a quick look at the bathroom over here. Basic. Got a big tub there, which I will not be using. But got the dual sink action, and then toilet, and I assume the shower, which it opens kind of weird. I didn't really expect that. Nice big shower head up there, and then shower stuff. Okay, well, I think, oh, there's the entryway here, which is nice. I guess that's a sign of a good hotel room. Got its own little storage unit here. Mini bar, perhaps? No, just a shelf. I'm getting loopy, guys. It's getting late. I'm getting tired, and I don't really know what to say other than this is a really, really nice hotel room. I do want to mention looks like a wireless charger here with USB-C and lightning port. That's rare to see in a hotel room. And that is about it. I'm going to that is what I'm going to do. I'm so tired right now. But yeah, if you have any questions about the Paradise City Hotel, Incheon Airport, I guess you could ask me. I don't know. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I didn't come here to take advantage of everything that this hotel has to offer. I'm just here for the bed. But if you have any questions about the room, I'm your guy. just drop them down below. I will get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.